Let's learn how you can play music on your Zoom call meeting. So let us open our Zoom application. You will have to start a meeting. When you do that, in this sidebar menu, you will have to find this apps option. Click there. You will have to click on music right here. If you didn't download this, it will appear here, built by Zoom. You will just have to click it again, only. Now when you open it, it will load you a list of playlists with songs you can play to your meeting. For example, let's try this one. When you go to this playlist, just click on song you want to play. First, it will ask you if you want to allow to share all computer audio. You will have to press allow, and now sharing is enabled. To play music, you just have to make sure it's not on mute and use play button to unpause our music. You can also check if you have fade in or fade out. I would suggest you to disable this for better experience. And in the end, you will just have to press on play and it will play music for everyone in meeting. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.